She's just a kind person. She's so loving. She's so gorgeous and beautiful as well. She really makes me a better person as well, and you know, I really enjoy spending time with her and I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
तेरे हवाले है ये जिंदगी मेरी, तेरे उजाले से सब राहें हैं यहाँ, अपने नसीब का मैं बादशाह नहीं, तू मेरी शाम है, तू ही मेरी सुबह, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा.
I think the most important thing is I really admire him. So his personality, his sort of how hardworking he is probably the biggest thing about him, and how calm and kind he is, and cared about how I felt all the time and made sure I was happy. That was really important to me.
मैंने सुन लिया.
I love you so much and unconditionally. No matter what, I hope that we can stay together forever.
Can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I know we'll have many adventures ahead, and I know that with you by my side we can achieve anything, so I'm really looking forward to living.
What really got me emotional is when the pundit announced that we were finally know that we're married now after being engaged for 2 years and been through a lot. It made me really happy.
I'm so lucky to have married such a beautiful, smart, loving, funny and loyal woman who is also supremely organised. You shower me with love and kindness, and this gives me the confidence to face any obstacle or challenge which lays ahead. The last 5 years have been the happiest years of my life, and I can't wait for what the future holds. I will love you forever and always. Thank you.